10th open competition test. This dictation recorded by auxiliary stenographer. Ready. It will be appreciated that this attitude is not reasonable full stop. If an official habitually comes late to the office or does not exert himself in his word comma, then the department concerned should take action against him. Under the West Pakistan Government Servants bracket shuru efficiency and discipline bracket close rules 1960 instead of desiring his transfer full stop. Unless a businessman has an abundant knowledge of the fundamental art of calculating, B will be hopelessly outclassed in the keen competition of modern times and might even have to abandon a business life full stop. An apparently trivial amount, a tiny fraction, may make the difference between profit and loss and turn a favorable amount into an adverse balance full stop. These different methods bring equally good results, and in teaching and learning we find the same thing full stop. One teacher may use methods different from those used by another teacher, but both teachers may get good results full stop. One learner may have a very good memory and may be able easily to learn by heart great many facts even through these facts full stop new para. The observations are particularly true for Pakistan, where textile and apparel exporters are yet to realize the grave implications of global warming for their business and come up with effective strategies to tackle it full stop. At best, a few progressive firms have in recent years adopted basic mitigating strategies at the factory level to reduce fossil energy usage, shift to renewable power sources, and set up wastewater treatment plants to cut costs and diffuse the environment concerns of their consumers full stop. In a nation grappling with economic hardship, social injustice, and educational disparities among other significant concerns, the extent of the uproar seems misplaced full stop. While ethical contemplation of events is necessary, it is high time we learned to distinguish between matters of actual import and controversies that we are relatively inconsequential full stop. The stands as a platform for young Pakistani women to boldly articulate their dreams and showcases their capabilities, beauty, and grace, elements that should be fostered rather than full stop. The voices raised against the participation by Pakistani women in such events would do better to highlight what must be done to tackle the monumental challenges. Full stop.